Hi students, welcome to this video lecturer. In this video lecturer, we are going to see the solution of August 2021 question paper of the course Engineering Mathematics with code 20SC01T. This question paper has total 5 sections. In this video lecturer, we are going to concentrate on section 2 of the question paper related to the unit straight lines. Coming to section 2, in section 2 there are 2 questions, that is question number 3, question number 4. 3 has again 4 sub questions, 4 kuda enide 4 sub questions ive. We are going to see one by one. Let us start with question number 3a. Find the slope of the line passing through the points 2, 4, 8, 7. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗೆಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೈನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 2, 4, 8, 7. Now it is taken as x1, y1, x2, y2. You have to find out the slope. So for slope formula is there. Solution. First let name the points. Let a equal to 2, 4, b equal to 8, 7. It is taken as x1, y1 and b is x2, y2. Slope of AB is, now slope of AB is given by is, slope formula is, slope usually denoted by m, that is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. M equal to y2 minus y1, that is 7 minus 4 divided by x2 minus x1, 8 minus 2, that is m equal to 7 minus 4 is 3, 8 minus 2 is 6. M equal to 3 1 ja 3 2 ja 1 by 2. Slope of line joining given points is 1 by 2. Moving to next question 3b. Write standard form of point slope form of the straight line. Find the equation of the line passing through the point 5, 6, slope 3 units. Question is, you have to find out equation of a straight line passing through 5, 6 having slope 3 units. Solution. First you have to write standard form. Solution. Standard form of point slope form of equation of straight line is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. It is the standard form. Here this point is x1, y1, it is m. Substitute in this equation, you will get required equation of the straight line. Y minus y1, what is the point is y minus y1 is 6, y minus 6. Now required straight line is our required equation of straight line is y minus 6 equal to m. M is 3 into x minus x1. What is x1 is 5. Now you have to simplify. Y minus 6 equal to 3x, 3 into 5 minus 15. 3x minus 15 ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಟರೆ plus y ಅನ್ನು ಆ ಕಡೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ it becomes minus y plus 6 becomes minus 6 equal to 0 equal to 0. Now 3x minus y minus 15 plus 6 that is minus 9 equal to 0. It is the required equation of the line. Now it is standard form and it is required equation of the line for the given data. Next, moving to 3c. Find equation of line whose x-intercept and y-intercept are 3 and 4 respectively by writing standard form of it. Solution. Standard form is solution equation of line or straight line in intercept form is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. X by a plus y by b equal to 1. It is the standard form. Here a is x-intercept, b is y-intercept. They are given here. Here given x-intercept that is x-intercept is a equal to given is 3. Y-intercept b equal to 4. Now substitute a value and b value in the standard equation. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ required equation of line is required equation of line is, what is the formula? X by a is 3 plus y by b is 4, x by 3 plus y by 4 equal to 1. Simplified by taking LCM. LCM is 12, that implies as LCM is 12, 4 into x, 4x plus 3y equal to 1. Cross multiply, that implies as 4x plus 3y equal to 12. Therefore, it implies as 4x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. This is the required equation of straight line. Required equation of the straight line. Next, moving to next question. Find acute angle between the lines x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0 and 2x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. Solution. First, write down the given lines are first line is x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. Equation number 1. Second is 2x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. To find angle between two lines, we need slopes, that is m1 and m2. In general, if ax plus by plus c equal to 0, then slope formula is minus a by b, that we are going to use here. For first line, now slope of line 1 is, I will take it as m1. First line m1, formula is minus a by b. Minus a is 1, b is 3, minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3 is a is 1, b is 3. Now slope of line 2 is m2, again minus a by b. Here a value is 2, b value is minus 1, minus 2 divided by b value is minus 1, minus becomes plus, that is 2. m1 is minus 1 by 3, m2 is 2. Now formula to find angle between two lines. What is the question is find acute angle. Let theta be acute angle between given lines, between the given lines. Then tan theta equal to, formula is, that is absolute value modulus of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. Now substitute value of m1 and m2. m1 is 1 minus 1 by 3, m2 is 2. Therefore, tan theta equal to, what is m1 is minus 1 by 3 minus m2 is 2. 1 plus minus 1 by 3 into 2. Now take LCM. That LCM, after taking LCM, it is equal to, LCM is 3. 3 into minus 6, 2 is minus 6. Minus 1 minus 2 divided by 3. Minus 6. Numerator, denominator is, LCM is 3. Now 3 into 1, 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. Now 3 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Cancels. Now next step is tan theta equal to that modulus absolute value minus 1 minus 6 is minus 7 divided by 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1 is, that is tan theta equal to 7. Tan theta equal to 7, because as it is theta is acute angle, it should be positive. 7 is not a standard angle value, therefore theta equal to, we can write it as tan inverse 7. Tan inverse 7. It is the required angle, acute angle between given lines. Moving to question number 4. These are the third question. Fourth question, A bit. In A bit, there are again two sub bits, that is Roman number 1, Roman number 2. First, we are going to solve 1. Find the slope of the straight line which is making angle 30 degree with x axis. Solution. For 1, angle they are given. Angle means they are given inclination. Given inclination theta. Given inclination theta. Inclination theta equal to 30 degree. They are given inclination theta equal to 30 degree. Now what you have to find out? Slope. Now slope of line. Now slope equal to tan theta formula. Slope equal to tan theta. Slope is usually denoted by m equal to tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree. What is tan 30 value? Standard value is m equal to 1 by root 3. M equal to 1 by tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Therefore, slope is 1 by root 3. Now coming to second bit question. Find the x intercept and y intercept of the line 3x minus 2y equal to 6. Second, given line is 3x minus 2y equal to 6. Now this question can be solved in 3 methods. Now first we are going to see one by one all 3 methods. First method, by using standard formula x by a plus y by b equal to 1, that is divide by 6. To get 1 divided by 6 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3x by 6 minus 2y by 6 equal to 6 by 6. It becomes x by 2 minus y by 3 equal to 1. It is x by 2 plus y divided by minus 3 equal to 1. equal to 1. Comparing with x by a plus y by b equal to 1, comparing with, which implies as x intercept equal to 2, it is x intercept value, and y intercept, what is y intercept equal to minus 3, y intercept equal to minus 3, 2 and minus 3, 2 and minus 3, it is method number 1. Next, method 2, that is called alternate method. For same question you can solve by another method, alternate method. Given line is, what the given line is, 3x minus 2y equal to 6. It can be written as standard form, 3x minus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. Comparing with ax plus by plus c equal to 0, comparing with, we get, what is a value is 3, b value is minus 2, c value is minus 6. Now, from general formula, x intercept equal to, formula is minus c by a equal to minus of minus 6 divided by a, that is 6 by 3 equal to 2. Same answer you got, that is previous one is x intercept is 2, y intercept equal to minus c by b, minus of 6, b is minus 2, 6 by minus 2 equal to minus 3, same answer, minus 3. This is second method. Another third method, that is alternate method 2. Alternate method 2. Given line is, what is the given line is, 3x minus 2y equal to 6. Now, to get x intercept, put y equal to 0, if you write it as equation number 1, in 1, that is 3x minus 2 into 0 equal to 6, it implies as 3x equal to 6, x equal to 2, this is the x intercept value. Now, to get y intercept, put x equal to 0 in 1, in equation number 1, you are going to get 3 into 0 minus 2y equal to 6, which implies as minus 2y equal to 6, that implies as y equal to minus 3. Minus 2 na kado idare 2 1 ja 2 3 ja cancel agutte, minus 3. This is the third method. Next, moving to next question, 4b. What is the question is, find the equation of the straight line which has an angle of inclination 45 degree. Angle of inclination kottidare with x axis and they are given y intercept. You have to find out the equation by writing standard form, andre slope intercept form. Solution. Slope intercept form of line is, what that line is, y equal to mx plus c, it is the standard form. M is slope, c is y intercept, c is y intercept. Here given ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, inclination is given. Inclination, what is inclination is theta equal to 45 degree, and y intercept given. Y intercept is given. What is y intercept? And another thing is given is y intercept. What is y intercept is, it is denoted by c. C is given as 2 units, c equal to 2. Here m is not directly given, but inclination kottidare theta equal to 45 degree. By using this you have to find out slope. Now slope equal to m equal to, what is the formula is, tan theta. M equal to tan theta is 45 degree. Tan 45 degree ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1. Tan 45 degree is 1. M equal to 1. Now from standard equation, that is from 1, what is 1 is y equal to mx plus c. M is 1. 1 into x plus c is 2. C is 2. Therefore, what is y equal to x plus 2. Y ನ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದರೆ minus y. X minus y plus 2 equal to 0. It is the required equation of line. Is required equation of line. That completes the answer. Moving to next question, 4c. Write standard form for the straight line. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the points 2, -3 and 5, 4. Solution. Here they not mentioned any standard form. The rest particular ಯಾವ form ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ, but ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 points are given, that is 1 point is 2, -3, 5, 4. Now as they are not mentioned but related to this, we have to write standard form of 2 point form. 2 point standard form. 2 point form of straight line is 2 point form of straight line is 2 point form of straight line is y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Here given points are, let a equal to 2, -3, that is equal to x1, y1. B equal to, what is the point, 5, 4 equal to x2, y2. Now substitute values. We are going to get, now required equation of line is, required equation of line is y minus y1. What is y1 value is -3. Minus of minus plus 3 is equal to y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1. 4 minus of minus plus 3. 4 plus 3 divided by x2 minus x1. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 into x minus x1. What is x1 is 2. x minus 2. You have to simplify now. It. That is y plus 3 equal to 4 plus 3 is 7 divided by 3 x minus 2. Cross multiply 3 into y. 3y plus 9 equal to 7 multiply ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 7 into x, 7x minus 14. 7x minus 14. ಇದನ್ನು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಒಯ್ದರೆ 7x minus 14 minus 3y minus 9 equal to 0, 7x minus 3y minus 14 minus 9 is minus 23 equal to 0. It is the required equation. Now moving to next question 4D. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the points minus 3 comma 2 and perpendicular to the line 4x minus y plus 7 equal to 0. Solution. Question ಏನಂದರೆ they are given one line. What is that line is 4x minus 7 plus 4x minus y plus 7 equal to 0. It is the given line. You have to find out the line perpendicular to it passing through minus 3 comma 2. Now there are two methods to solve this question. Now we are going to see first method. Solution. Given line is 4x minus y plus 7 equal to 0. Equation number 1. Now any line perpendicular to 1, perpendicular to 1 is given by, that you have to interchange the x coefficient and y coefficient. It becomes x and sign you have to change, plus 4y plus k equal to 0, You have to find out the value of k by given condition passing through the point. Since equation 2 it is equation of second line, it passes through minus 3 comma 2, then it is satisfy the equation. Since line 2 passes through the point, what is the point is minus 3 comma 2. Now put x equal to minus 3, y equal to 2. Minus 3 plus 4 into 2 plus k equal to 0. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? minus 3 plus 8 plus k equal to 0. That is 5 plus k equal to 0. K equal to minus 5. Substitute this k value in equation number 2. Substituting value of k in 2 we get what it is, x plus 4y plus k. X plus 4y, k is minus 5 equal to 0, is required equation of line, It is one method. Another alternate method. Now ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಈಸ್ 4x minus y plus 7. 4x minus y plus 7 equal to 0. You have to find out line perpendicular to it passing through minus 3 comma 2. Now given line is 4x minus y plus 7 equal to 0. It is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. What is a value? A value is 4, b value is minus 1, c value is 7. It is equation number 1. Now slope of line 1 is take it as m1. m1 equal to, formula is minus a by b. m1 equal to, that is minus a is 4, b is minus 1, that is m1 equal to 4, m1 equal to 4, m1 equal to 4, m1 equal to 4. Now, required line is perpendicular to 1. Therefore, since required line is perpendicular to 1, perpendicular to 1. What is the perpendicular condition? m1 into m2 equal to minus 1, that is slope of given line into slope of required line equal to minus 1, since they are perpendicular. What is the slope of given line is? That is 4. Your slope of given line is 4. Take as slope of required line is m equal to minus 1. 4m equal to minus 1. m equal to minus 4. Now you got slope of required line. Andre required line is andre, it is a line having slope. What is the slope is? Minus 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4 and passes through minus 3 comma 2. Minus 3 comma 2. You can use slope 1 point form. Required line is by using formula y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1, y1 is 2 here, y1 equal to m is minus 1 by 4. X minus x1, x1 is minus 3, minus of minus plus 3, cross multiply. 4y minus 8 equal to minus x minus 3, minus x minus 3. 4y minus 8 minus x becomes plus x plus 3 equal to 0. That is x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. It is the same answer you got by alternate method. Now, these are the questions from section 2. Now, moving to section 3. To watch the solutions of section 3, watch the next video. Thank you.